Hey guys, I don't know if you can hear me that well, but I'm just gonna show you like a little bit of a day in the life, you know, just looking at the different cars. Just looking. That's a Regal T. That's a nice one. Over here, you know, we got a Chevy Cruze right there. That's nice. Looking at these cars. What's this one? An old Ford Fusion. Has a nice interior. Looking at these cars. That's just a little day in the life, you know. Here's an Impala. Has a nice orange interior. So, thanks for watching us. I'm just kind of showing you guys. Oh yeah, and I'll show you the interior of this Audi. I mean, just so that a little bits can get out of this. Just, you know, look at it. I mean, it's an Audi, so the horn's gonna be off. Here, I'll show you. Yeah, this is basically it. So, I mean, this isn't really a video for much entertainment. Just, you know, just showing. 2016 Buick Regal T-Horn.
This feels good right here.